there is a function f of x equals to 2x to the third minus 3x squared minus 36x plus 1, and the negative 1 comma 32 is a point on the curve when x is equals to negative 1, y is equals to 32. I want to answer three questions. Number one, at this point, I want to find the equation of the tangent line, tangent to the curve at this point. Number two, I want to find equation of the normal line. I will let you know what a normal line is at this point. And number three, I want to see if the curve has any horizontal tangent line. All right, so starting with the tangent line. For tangent line, we always need to find the slope first. The slope is f prime of x. So f prime of x, using simple power rule, you bring the 3 down, right? So you bring the 3 down, 2 times 3 is equals to 6, and then 3 minus 1 is equals to 2. Bring the 2 down, 2 minus 1. The derivative of negative 36x is negative 36. The derivative of 1 is equals to 0. So for this derivative, let's factor this a little bit. So that is 6, and then you have x minus x squared minus x, and then minus 6, and you can factor this one step further. So that is 6, and then x plus 2 times x minus 3, right? Okay, the first thing is I want to find the equation of the tangent line. So that is a straight line, y equals to slope times x, and then plus the y-intercept. What is the slope at this point? What is the slope of the function at that point? You have to plug in x equals to negative 1. So we have a point. The point is negative 1 comma 32. So that means x is equals to negative 1. So f prime of negative 1, that is equals to what? That is equals to 6. And then negative 1 plus 2, and then negative 1 minus 3. So what do we have? We have 6 times 1, and then times negative 4, right? Times negative 4, so that is equals to negative 24, and then this is the slope of the tangent line. Slope of the tangent line. So since we have a slope equals to negative 24, and then the point is negative 132, and then I will use the point slope form to build the line. Y minus y1 equals to slope times x minus x1. Then this is y minus 32 equals to negative 24, x minus negative 1, and then y is equals to negative 24x, and then we subtract 24, and then we add 32 to it, and then y equals to negative 24x plus 8 is equation of the tangent line. So this is equation of the tangent line. So that answers the first question. So we have a function in yellow. So that is a curve going up and down, going up and down. I have a point on the curve. And then at this point, the slope of the curve is equals to negative 24. And then equation of the tangent line is y equals to negative 24x plus 8. And then what about a normal line? First of all, what is a normal line? Normal line is perpendicular to a tangent line. So let's write this down. So normal line is perpendicular. So perpendicular to tangent line. What is perpendicular mean? Perpendicular means the slope is negative reciprocal. So the slope is negative and reciprocal. What is negative reciprocal of 24? Negative 24. So negative reciprocal, that means the slope is negative. So negative, so that is negative 1 times reciprocal 1 over negative 24, which is 1 over 24. So negative is past, right? And then the reciprocal of 24 is 1 over 24. And then you will have to use the point again. So the point is at negative 1 comma 32, and then you use y minus y1. So y minus y1 equals to slope times x minus x1, and then you have y minus 32 equals to 1 over 24, and then x minus minus 1. So y is equals to 1 over 24x, and then we add 24, right? We add 1 over 24, and then plus 32. And then this one you will have to get a common denominator. So the common denominator, I will use 24 times 32. That is equals to 768. And then you add 1 to it. So the normal line is y equals to, so you have y equals to 1 over 24x, and then plus, so this is 24. Again, the common denominator, 24 times 32 is 768. You add 1 to it, that is 767. So this is equation of the normal line. All right, and then how about horizontal tangent? First of all, what is horizontal tangent? Give me a picture. So for horizontal tangent, let's say the curve goes up and down like that. So goes up and down like that. And then there is the horizontal tangent at the top of the peak and also at the bottom of the peak, right? So at this point, there is a horizontal tangent. And then at this point, the slope is equals to 0. Do you see the keyword? The slope is equals to 0. Okay, look at this piece of work. Which function represents the slope? Which function represents the slope of the curve? The answer is f prime of x. So let's drop the function down. We have f prime of x equals to, I pick the factor form, 6x plus 2, and then x minus 3. And what do we say about the slope? We said that horizontal tangent has slope equals to 0. So that's why we have to set the slope equals to 0 due to horizontal tangent. Horizontal tangent has slope equals to 0. And then using zero product property, we found that when x is equals to -2 and x equals to 3, we have slope equals to 0. So that's why there is a horizontal tangent line of the curve, the given function, at x equals to -2 and x equals to, x equals to -2 and x equals to positive 3, right? So that's based on this. So x squared -3 plus 1. Yep. So at x equals to -2 and x equals to positive 3. All right, so that is the end of this video. Now you know how to do tangent line, normal line, and horizontal tangent. If you think this is helpful, give me a like, share, and subscribe, and I will catch you all in the next problem. Signing out.